To fix that this content is not authorized error on Apple Music, several steps can be taken. This issue often arises due to software problems, incorrect music settings, or minor glitches. Restarting the iPhone is a good starting point. Find and hold down the side and volume buttons until the power off slider appears. Then move the slider to power down the device. After 30 seconds, hold down the side button until the Apple logo is displayed. If the issue persists, check the music settings by accessing the Settings app, selecting the Music option, and switching on the toggle next to the Cellular Data option. Another potential solution is to log out and then log back into the Apple ID. Launch the Settings app, click on the Apple ID, scroll down, and tap the Sign Out option. After a few minutes, sign back into the Apple ID. By following these steps, that this content is not authorized error on Apple Music should be resolved.